What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied. We have a 10-inch DURATECH cable cutter. This is going to be fun and insane because y'all know I love DURATECH. I got DURATECH all over the place. This is big, quite insane. Look at this. Again, heavy duty, rubber grip, nice and comfortable. Hand is not slipping. It's long. That way you can have more leverage when you're cutting wires. It says it cuts aluminum, copper, and communication cables, which will be like your cable company cables. You know, your cable guy will love this right here. So if you are into installing cables and stuff, this will definitely be a tool for you. And we are going to go ahead and check it out. I have DURATECH, plenty of DURATECH tools, and it never lets me down. Very budget friendly tool. That's all I could say. If you want to go to the big box store and be a big boy, do your thing. But us over here, we're looking for something in convenience. All right, not inconvenience, but for our convenience. So I have this 30 amp wire. This is one of the thickest wires that I have in the house. And let's go ahead and check it. Nice and easy, you guys. I didn't do much to do that. I'm telling you, I did not do much. It's like I'm regularly squeezing. I know y'all seen me use a pair. I forgot what pair it was. It was one of these reviews. I was using a tool and it was hard to cut through my thick wire, but it was easy to cut through the 14-2s, you know, the regular wires. So this is a thick wire, ladies and gentlemen. This is what we use to install. So just in case I get an electric car, I installed an outlet in my garage. That's what I did, ladies and gentlemen. As a matter of fact, let me clean this side up while I'm at it because I don't need this. I was doing this for review, but as y'all can see, nice and easy. Easy, clean. Look how clean that is. Nice, clean cut. That will be all. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.